All right, so we're gonna make surf and turf soup. All right, so you're gonna need you some mixed vegetables, a big old pot, and make sure you get you some cans of diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. You need some Old Bay baby carrots and a couple of bags of shrimp, sausage or connector sausage, and a steak. We're gonna chop that steak up and chop that sausage up and throw it in there, and we're gonna make this doggone soup with this Old Bay seasoned base, and we're gonna put a little bit of, we gotta make sure, I don't know why I did this without, I don't know where my Tony's at. I got some Tony's around here somewhere, but I don't know where it's at, but hell, once I find it, here we go, here we go, here we go, right here. Yeah, surf and turf soup, big old pot of soup that should last you for a while. So it don't cost much, and we're gonna chop all of this meat up, throw it in there, put everything in there, bring it to a boil. We're not gonna do the whole bag of mixed vegetables because I don't like to fill it up with just all of them, with all of that, just a little bit of that or whatever, and throw some baby carrots in there, and maybe some, I'll add some celery. I got some celery, yep. Got some celery right here, already cut up. Throw that in there, and not a whole lot of that, and that'll make a nice soup. And if you want to, you can even throw some little crab leg on the top once it gets done. So as you can see, I got my stewed tomatoes in there. Here are my steak, my mixed vegetables, my connector sausage. So once I go ahead and put a little bit of tomato sauce in there, I'm gonna put some water in there, and do these fresh carrots, and we ready to go. And we ready to set the boil. I'm gonna put my seasoning in there, Old Bay and Tony's. We about to be ready. So what we got right now, we got it boiling. Yeah, there's all your sausage, your tomatoes, your carrots, got your steak. The most important thing is making sure that your broth is right. Most important. That's good. We on the way. I forgot to say add the seashells. And you don't have to do the whole box. You just want to do some seashells just to remind people that it is seafood soup. So what is seafood soup without some seashells? Where the hell they went? Yep. That's gonna be delicious. All right, here we go. Now it's time. The soup is done. So now I turn the eye off. Turn that off. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the shrimp. All right. And you don't have to cook the shrimp. The shrimp gonna cook itself. So put like 2 or 3 bags of shrimp in there, and only thing you have to do is just make sure that your broth is on point. So now I got the broth tasting good. It tastes a lot of Tony's, a lot of Old Bay. I got some connector sausage, a little teeny tiny bag of mixed vegetables, and some steak. And there's your seafood surf and turf soup. It's really good. It's not too thick. You got a lot of broth. This is good broth. It's flavorful. Tony seasoning or some Old Bay. You can smell it. You can smell like seafood. More than soup, it smells like seafood. And you got enough And if you really want to get freaky with it, if you got you a couple of little things of crab leg, just sit the crab leg on top and go bam. The crab leg, just like the shrimp, will cook itself. And there you go, surf and turf soup. All right, y'all, we have the finished product. Now, right here, get your little soup bowl and dig in. And if you want to add a little bit of butter in there, you can, a little bit of butter. See, there's all you got steak, shrimp, your noodles, your vegetables. Tomatoes. Then get you some broth. Real easy to make.